Hello ladies and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Well, it's Monday and we have Grizas.
Welcome lovelies. Another exciting day in the boutique. Grizas, look at this box. You don't ever have to guess where it's from.
No.
And we're always go, yahoo, Grizas is here. And here it is.
All right. So
and we're here to show it to you.
Yes, we are. So we have some restocks too, ladies, which I'm wearing. I know this scarf sold out so quickly.
Yes.
Such a beautiful one. All of them, really.
Yeah.
Mostly all of them sold out. And we have some new treats in here for some new, you are going to love, that I ordered.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, you will be pleasantly surprised.
Oh my goodness.
And so we have our last shipment in, and like I said, we have reordered the skirts as well, which sold out so quickly, but they're coming. So this reorder is from the very first drop.
Those skirts. Oh my goodness.
I know. Amazing.
Anyway.
Okay, yeah. So now we have a whole new set here for you lovelies, and we'll style them up for you over the next 2 days. Lousje's going to take on and I'm going to take on, and I guess you'll have to guess which what, because, you know, the way we are and what I
the way it flies.
The way it flies.
The way it's all how her mood is.
Mood?
No,
I just don't wear pants. So you'll
No,
be taking the pants
I'm
on.
the pant girl. Yeah.
Giving it away. We got some nice, beautiful linen pants in here that you're going to love. But first of all, we're going to talk about our outfits, which is so funny. We are like the Bopsy twins today.
Today we are, yeah.
We should get a picture together, bopping around. So we both have on the Boris dress with these pointies. It is so
the pointy dress.
Isn't it adorable?
It's adorable.
I love it. You could shorten yours a bit, I must say. It's a bit long on you, but it's a very maxi length. It's gorgeous.
For tall women.
Yeah.
It's perfect because it needs to be long, right? But very easily to have it taken off.
Yeah, just a little bit. But I think it's so fabulous.
It's fabulous.
The boxy sweater from Lousje Bean.
This is so comfy.
Cozy.
I have this in oatmeal. Wear it all the time.
Do you?
Yeah. Cozy, cozy.
I was just thinking maybe I have another black
I saw
boxy
her,
top in my wardrobe.
Yes.
In the knit one.
But this is warm, you know?
Yeah, perfect for this.
And then I love this Lousje necklace. And a lot of you do because, you know, you have bought. I love the color though.
Green is like
yeah,
beautiful.
really nice. And oh, wow. New pursuit and newly stocked and a few new designs. We really like her line.
Oh, we love it.
Yeah. Light, beautiful.
Yeah.
What did you have?
Well, we always grab Ziska. I find too for myself, like sometimes those are, you know, subtle, like black with silver or.
Yeah.
But these, you know, because Ziska has so much color. So
True.
sometimes we need to pop our outfits.
True.
We always use Ziska a lot. But
This is very artsy, I find, Pursuit.
oh, it's so
you know?
beautiful.
She actually, I forget now where I was, a museum or an art gallery, and she had
A display? Yeah, no, she's really well known across Canada, and she's wonderful herself. She's so cool. She's got a great haircut. I'll show you a picture, ladies.
Oh
she's,
my
she's
goodness.
Wonderful. Vanessa, She makes it all herself. Like, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
She just went to the Paris show with her line to sell, like the buying show in Paris. She goes to New York all the time.
How can she make it all herself? This
to
is
Cochier.
crazy.
Yeah, no, she does. And she sells a lot into the United States. And then now she's getting into Europe. Because she just did the Paris buying show.
That's fantastic.
She had a booth there. Yeah, she was telling me about it. She said it was such a great experience.
I'm sure.
But her pieces are like art, right? It's gorgeous.
Art.
That earring we restocked. It's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
It's so light and
interesting.
architecturally,
you know?
it's just so cool.
Yeah, it's architectural inspired. Really. For sure.
Very neat. Okay, so, and then I have the boxy top and stripe, which we still have a few. And then the black, and Lousje has the striped skirt on.
By the way, lovelies, this is a very nice light knit.
Yes, a light French
It's really nice. I have the tie-dye, which is the same type of fabric. Boxy top.
Yeah.
And it's light. I wore it a lot in the summertime last year.
Yeah, really nice. Yeah.
Okay,
so without further ado, let's go. And I love to curate this. Look at her peeking in. I'm like, you can't look. But I like to
get it on already.
I know, I'm sorry. So we restocked the Chanel jacket because we had so many reorders for that.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I forgot about it.
I know.
Oh, it's so darling.
It's so cute.
Let me see it again.
Well, I didn't bring it but here's a picture of it.
Oh, okay.
And then also we restocked the tie-dye dress, which sold out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
So this, ladies, is the first drop from Grizas that we did like over a month ago. Like,
right.
So when we reorder with Grizas, they cut and sew to our order. So it takes about 5 weeks to get here. So this is this one. But we did, like I said, we did reorder the skirts. Okay. Oh my God, where do I start? Well, first of all, we also got more of these scarves in, which were so beautiful.
Mia, how beautiful.
I know. Look at how beautiful that is, ladies.
It's like a painting.
I know.
Look at it.
I know.
You could hang this on your wall, you know.
Yeah. So if you missed out on it, we did get some more in. And then this one too, the Sea Life. We had a bunch of we had a bunch of orders for it, and then we just got a few extra just in case.
This is so pretty.
I know, especially on all the oatmeal collection from them. Which did so well, so beautiful.
Oh yeah.
And then of course we reordered the linen scarf, which again in the oatmeal. Yeah. So beautiful.
Beautiful.
I had meant to order more scarves in the linen, so I did that. So we have black. How about a black linen scarf?
Yes, of course.
I know. You were so excited.
Yeah.
These scarves, ladies, are amazing quality, and they're pre-washed, and they feel so soft. It's not like a crunchy linen. It's not a hard linen. So this, you're gonna say, "Oh my God, I need to have one."
Oh God, yes.
Hey?
I'm gonna say yes. That's all I'm gonna say.
You just cannot get your fuchsia lipstick on it.
No.
But honestly, this oh gosh.
Oh.
Pure luxury.
Yeah, pure luxury.
Pure luxury, ladies.
Yeah.
Pure luxury. Are you ready?
What? Pray tell.
Look at this orange.
Oh my, but what a beautiful orange. Tessa, the World Cup is coming up. We both need one.
I know.
When we can watch our Holland teams. Oh, but what a, you know what? This is such
I know that's going to be in your wardrobe too.
Well, it's too, no, no, it's getting out of hand. But look at this color, orange.
It's stunning, 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 stunning. And also, ladies, the Sea Life. So if you have the dress, the bubble dress in Sea Life, like this dress but in linen, and then you have like the orange scarf on the dress.
Yes, because it's got that little dot of orange.
So we'll show the dress here that we made. We have a few left.
This is a must for you lovelies who have that dress. And you know, the weight of this too, right?
Yeah.
It is so
beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
And then we did the sort of sagey color.
Oh, that's lovely.
I forget what color.
That is lovely.
I know.
Oh, that is so chic.
So beautiful.
So
it's
chic.
like a light gray with a greeny
Totally.
We also did a fuchsia, ladies, but it's not here. Maybe it's in the other box. But I'll show you a picture of it here. It is absolutely stunning. A fuchsia scarf as well. Beautiful. Okay, I'm so funny here. You guys must want to strangle me. So I think I'm gonna do outfits again. I kind of like it. I'm just teasing everybody. What's coming up? What's coming up? Okay, we talked about pants. Here are the pants.
Oh my.
Yep. Beautiful linen pants from Grizas that we ordered.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it.
I know.
A straight cut with a big hem.
Yeah.
Probably ankle length.
Pockets.
Yeah.
Right.
Beautiful, nice wide band.
Yeah.
Yeah. They are I find them very long in their rise.
Okay.
So when I have this, I just fold the band.
Okay.
Because, well, that's just me because I don't
You're short.
have my pants up here.
Short torso.
But what a gorgeous pant.
I know, it is beautiful. So I did it.
Look at this orange with it.
Yeah, the orange with it. So then we did a charcoal gray.
Oh,
isn't that beautiful?
A charcoal gray. I'm in love with it.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And ladies, we have the charcoal gray or slate gray, I forget what we called it, in the jacket.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
In the Grizas jacket, the silk linen jacket over the, you'll have to do an outfit.
Yeah, I will.
You'll have to pair that up.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, and then, lovelies, that little jacket that we got in the first unboxing.
The linen one. Yeah, we'll show a
with
picture
the one
here.
button.
Yeah.
With this jacket,
It's
but
the same
also
color.
with this pant or with this pant.
Yeah, beautiful.
I'm going nuts.
I know. So your day one style up tomorrow. So you get
can't
the
wait.
pants.
Thank you.
It's not I don't think it's a bad thing.
No.
So we did
It's a treat.
we did so well with the little black tank top ladies that I was like, okay, imagine this color with with either one, but I'm thinking more of the charcoal.
Oh my God.
Yummy, yummy. So we ordered, look at.
Oh,
beautiful?
my Tessa.
I know. And then we still have some necklaces.
Love,
Look at how
love.
beautiful.
Look at this combination.
I know. And then you could do the white scarf or the light gray
Totally.
scarf.
Oh.
It'd be a stunner.
Oh my, look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is so wonderful,
Oh,
ladies.
Grizas, you guys.
Never disappoints.
You are the bomb. Honestly, Pete. No, really.
So I am going to, this is the one this is gonna be my show on Style Up Day. Look at this dress, ladies.
Oh, what is this for gorgeousness?
So this is 80% viscose, 20% silk.
It's a crepe, a very fine crepe.
Yeah, and it has so much stretch.
Imagine how that flows around your legs.
So when I was ordering Grizas, they do really nice product shots and with the model.
Yeah.
So the model had on, which I'll show you why we're doing this whole outfit here. She had on that and that. I'll show you the picture after. Then she had that on.
Yeah.
And then she had this
Over top.
opened up with it.
Get out.
Ladies, it was so beautiful. Here's the picture of the model. I was like, that is such a stunning outfit. That's like no brainer.
You know, I always say this, but casual wedding. Hello.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And then afterwards, you have all these beautiful pieces that you can wear every day. Every day.
This is so beautiful, ladies.
Oh.
It is such a nice light.
Really?
Pockets.
Look at this, Tessa, with this too.
Yeah.
With these pants.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
I know.
Beautiful.
Yeah, you can style that up tomorrow.
I will.
You know?
Yeah.
It's like, you use it as a duster and then close it up and use it as a dress.
Yeah.
It's like multiple.
Multiple.
But look at this color. Wouldn't that look amazing on so many skin tones?
Oh, unbelievable.
And then what we did was, we also sold out of the little knit cardigan with the buttons.
We did. Yeah.
So we brought it in a new color.
Oh.
I know.
That's too goodness. Can it get any better? Oh my. Oh my, oh my.
So you can wear this over the dress.
Yeah.
The charcoal dress on its own, right?
Yeah.
You could do it with the pants. You could style this up with the pants.
That's right.
You could even have the little tank top peeking out
in
this,
yeah.
in this, and then the necklace.
Oh yeah.
Like it's endless.
Oh.
So we're gonna style them up for you tomorrow.
And that scarf would be beautiful.
And this scarf, beautiful
There's
with
a lot of grace and.
Yeah. Bring my mic up a little closer. We have to get new mics, ladies. Our
they
voices.
have too many hours of chatting inside of them. They're gonna explode soon.
Do you know that we're almost at 2,000 videos?
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Can you imagine?
Oh, and we're still having fun.
I know. Well, that's the thing.
I know.
We're loving it.
Yeah.
We love it. Okay, so this next little series I'm so excited about. It's, you saw we had in scarves in this fabric, but we just got in these boxy.
My God.
I shouldn't say sweater. I should say
No,
top.
yeah.
Look
Oh.
at the high-low. Look at this color combo too. So if you have the scarf already, ladies, you can, and then that with the charcoal pants or the beige.
Oh,
like you're gonna have so much fun with this.
I need 3 videos to show this. Really.
Well, that's why we broke up.
We need to spread it out.
Yeah, I know. So I'll do the dress with all these pieces.
Yeah.
And then you do the pants with all these pieces.
I see. Okay.
And then we're gonna show, like, it's gonna be long videos, and then we'll have all the pictures for you. But look at that with the.
So beautiful.
I know. So just an amazing boxy light top, right?
Yeah.
And so we're going to style it up. So there was another piece that we had to get, and we just got it in the one color because I love the pink and orange. Don't you love? Yeah, I know.
It's endless.
It's endless. But don't you love the pink and orange?
Oh, love.
Love. So they have a blouse, like a shirt. Yeah.
Tessa.
So we did, I know.
I can't stand it, honest to God. It's so beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
That's for me to style too.
This is a shirt. Yeah, both of us. I'm going to wear this over the charcoal dress.
Yeah.
Like, so that charcoal dress is, I'm just going to.
That's your basic.
That's my basic. And then everything is going to be styled over those pieces.
And the two pants are my basics.
Yeah. And you can choose which color you like better, but look at all the combinations we have here. All these tops can go with both the skirt and the both pants. I'm
speechless.
Like really, look at this too. Like how beautiful and like classic, like preppy. Oh, I love it.
Love it.
So, and then ladies, we restocked.
More?
Well, we sold out of these scarves. So we just restocked these to have with the tops. Cause that's going to be like
beautiful.
If you want the monochromatic.
Sure.
With the crop tops, the boxy tops.
Right.
This is such a it feels great too. It's like nice.
Wow.
Ooh. So to say about Grizas with their fabrics, ladies, if you only like natural fibers,
this is it.
This is all 100% linen, except for the dress is 20% silk and 80% viscose.
Yeah.
Which is like
Viscose is also,
a high-end. Yeah.
But also...
And all the scarves too, Mom. Silk.
And all the...
Silk, bamboo, and linen.
But also, very important, it is all... The fabric is made, it's dyed, it's designed and sewn in Lithuania.
And under one roof.
Yeah, family owned. Started out small, they must be quite a bit bigger now.
Yeah, for sure. They're everywhere.
Yeah.
They're all over Europe. Yeah, no, it's an amazing line. It really speaks to us because it's our style completely.
Oh, yeah.
Like everything.
Everything.
And like that, it's like that picture of that model, like that whole outfit. I was like, yep, that's it.
Yeah.
Like beautiful.
A no-brainer.
No-brainers.
Yeah.
All right. So watch out tomorrow. Lousje's going to be here to style up the pants, part 1. And I will style up the dress, part 2, on Wednesday.
Something to look forward to.
Yes.
So,
hit a thumbs up, ladies, if you enjoyed the video. Size charts are all there. If you have any questions, please let us know. And as always,
keep on smiling.